Head to the login page and enter your username and password. Then click on the sign in page and wait for the page to load. Then click on the tax calculator. In this page, you can see the actual calculator. Then you can add your expenses by clicking on the drop down or manually typing it into the text box. Simply type an expense and click add or hit enter. For example, let's say you spend some money on a laptop that you use for your work. You also spend some money on a tablet. Let's say you spend some money on specific repairs that are related to your work. Add that value and click on add. At the same time, you can use the drop down. Let's say you have a property that contributes to your income and you want to add some expenses such as repair and property maintenance. Simply select them on the drop down, add the value and click on add an expense. You can see the total of these expenses automatically updated as soon as you change these values. The calculator shows you how much after-tax income you have, how much expenses you have, and how much tax you will be paying. It also shows you your tax return in case you have already paid all of your tax for your whole income. You can also add an additional source of income. Let's say you have another source of income which is generating roughly $10,000 for you. Click on add and enter the data. Then add all of your expenses, edit them as needed. Make sure you provide all of the expenses and don't miss any of your tax deductible expenses. Then click on refresh and now you can see your tax return and your proportions.